Hi again, readers. It's time for our last job, and that's to read our story for the day. On this page is the story's title, or the name of the story. Can you find it? Nice job. Put your finger under each word and let's read the title together. Dot and Dan. Just like before, I'm going to open to the first page. What I want you to do is pause the video so you can read the words all by yourself first. When you're done, play the video and we can read the words on the screen together. What I really want you to practice doing today is touching and maybe scooping each word or phrase with your finger. Try to read each word really nice and smooth out loud. If you have to stop and tap, that's okay. Here we go. Pause here so you can read the first page. Dot, the dog, likes Dan, the man. Can we go? Pause to read. Dan likes Dot, and Dan likes to nap. Uh-oh, look at him over here. He's falling asleep in his chair. He's making a sound like this. Pause to read. Dot can't nap. She likes Dan's pack. Uh-oh, I see she's getting into some trouble over here. Your turn. Pause the video. She likes Dan's cap. A cap is another word for a hat. Uh-oh, he's awake now. My cap! My pack! Dot! Stop! Your turn. Sad, sad Dot. Dan is not mad. He's saying, I am not mad. Dot likes Dan. He's saying, we can go. I like you, Dan. The end. That's the last part of our story today. I'm going to switch back to our slideshow for just a minute. Let's see if I can find it. Where is our special slideshow? Here we go. That was the link to copy to read Dan and Dot, and I have one more thing to show you. If you look on our agenda, all of our jobs are done. We've done our spelling practice, reading practice, writing, and I have one question for you before we go. This says, readers make connections. Does this story remind you of something from your own life? I want you to practice making a connection. Something that reminds me of my life is this part down at the bottom. My cat, Rudy, likes to make messes all the time. He likes to dig in our food sometimes. He likes to play with his cat toys and drag things around our house. So this picture reminded me of when my cat makes a mess. Is there something in the story that reminds you of your life? Let me know. Email me or send me a dojo message and let me know what connection you made with this story. Awesome hard work today, readers. I'll see you later on this week for our next lesson. Bye.